Hello and welcome to the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going over how to purchase secure plans, change payments, access invoices, and what to do in the event of an error. Let's get started. First of all, please note that the secure plans can only be purchased on an Android device or on the website my.arlo.com. It cannot be purchased on the iOS mobile app. We advise using the web portal. To start off, search for my.arlo.com and use the same credentials that you would use to log into the Arlo app. Once logged on, select Secure in the top left corner and choose My Arlo account. From this page, you will be able to see your locations and any plans that are attached to them. For locations with no plan, you will have the option to Get a Plan. For locations with plans, the option to Change Plan. Let's click on Get a Plan and see how you can purchase a secure plan. From this page, if you scroll down, you will see a list of features you gain from each plan. Make sure to check them to choose the best plan that suits your security needs, but don't worry, you can always change the plan if you notice you would prefer other features. Scrolling back up, we have the toggle for single and multi-camera plans, as well as the toggle for monthly and yearly payments. Depending on which side the toggle is on, depends on what payment time you choose. Once you have chosen the payment duration and the plan you want, select Get Secure underneath the plan. From the next page, you will be able to enter your credit card information or choose a different available payment method. If you already have a credit card attached but would like to change it or use a different payment method, select Add and enter the new information. If you have a promo code for the secure plans, you can enter that by choosing Enter Promo Code on the right-hand side. Here, enter the code and select Apply. Once applied, a summary will appear underneath with the due payment. And finally, select Agree and Confirm Payment. And that's it. If you would just like to change your payment information without changing your secure plan, you can do so from the subscription page by selecting Add New Payment. From this page, you can also cancel your subscription at any time by clicking Cancel Plan. In the event an error message appears, we advise ensuring all payment information is filled correctly, and to also check the account balance or that no limits are blocking the transaction. Make sure that you have notifications for your bank app enabled to ensure that the 3 deciseconds verification can go through. If the error persists, please log in to your account from a different browser or clear cache and cookies from the current browser you are using. If the error continues, we advise contacting your bank to ensure there are no problems from their side. And lastly, downloading an invoice. On the subscription page under Payment Information, choose View Invoice. From here, tap on Download PDF. A second page will open where you can tap on Download Invoice or Download Receipt. Thank you for joining me today. We hope this video answered your questions about purchasing a subscription and solving payment problems. See you next time!